So we've now come to the Becker wineyard. Hello.
Wish you were here.
Wish you were here.
Sorry, I couldn't.
Yeah, that's right. So that's the stuff over there.
Make a cutter in the middle.
So you two.
Let's go drink.
Let's go drink. Yeah.
Oh wow, look at this. Lavender Festival.
Yep. I saw that. Wow. What?
You found a map. Maybe you can find your way around now.
Well, that's better than a dead GPS, isn't it?
Homestead Bed and Breakfast at Becker Business. Ooh, they have a bed.
How many bottles did you get, Bjorn? Oh, there they are.
Ah, there they are.
Amelia. Amelia. Bjorn.
Good Riesling. And you had some bottles as well.
Oh, we have the port, the Malbec,
And the Riesling.
and the Riesling.
And the Riesling. Good.
Hooray!
Now in Luckenback. Beautiful day. Look at those beautiful ones. The chicken in the barn. No music yet. No shack and an ATM. And a Longhorn. That is a huge one.
That didn't work. Really?
Come on. Pork ribs? Yes, sir. I'm a big fan of, if he's got it, there's barbecue sirloin. With that pork loin right there underneath his elbow. Yeah. Those are the die for. Oh, it's a ribs. Might need a little smidge of sausage too. Just a little pinch between your cheek and gum. Thanks.
Starting to get pretty hungry. Now I know what you're waiting. Who would say that? Oh, say that about her brother-in-law?
She's so proud of him. Just the way they do it.